Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Adobe Premiere Pro with new project settings, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate Adobe Premiere Pro, first, ensure that you have a valid subscription or license. Open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. If prompted, sign in with your Adobe ID associated with your subscription. Once the program launches, you'll be greeted with the Start New Project dialog box. Here, you can set up your project settings. Begin by naming your project in the Project Name field. Choose an appropriate location for your project files by clicking on the Browse button. Select a folder where you want to save your project. Next, ensure that the capture format is set to your desired input format. You can choose between DV, HDV, or none depending on your setup. Now, move to the Video Rendering and Playback section. Select the renderer based on your system capabilities and preferences. Generally, Mercury Playback Engine GPU acceleration is recommended for. In the Ingest tab, decide whether you want to create proxies or not. Enabling proxy allows for easier editing with lower resolution files. Next, select the appropriate time base based on your project needs, such as 24 frames per second, 30 frames per second, or 60 frames per second. Set the frame size to match your desired resolution, like 1920 by 1080 for HD. Review your audio settings in the Audio section. Choose the sample rate and channels based on your project requirements. After adjusting all settings, click on OK to proceed. Now, Adobe Premiere Pro will create your new project with the specified settings. Familiarize yourself with the interface layout and functions. You can start importing media files by dragging them into the project panel. Use the media browser for a more organized approach to importing assets. Begin editing your project by dragging clips onto the timeline. Customize your workspace as needed for a smoother editing experience. Your project is now set up and ready for editing. Make sure to save your progress frequently to avoid data loss. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.